Imagine zooming at the speed of sound, not on a plane, but on a train that redefines the very concept of speed. That's what China's new Maglev train is all about, pushing the boundaries of modern engineering. It's designed to go a whopping 1,000 kilometers per hour or 621 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest trains ever built. This amazing technology could totally change how we travel, making long distances feel much shorter. It could even reshape our cities and how our economy works, creating new opportunities for growth. This train isn't something from a sci-fi movie, it's a real, tangible innovation. It shows just how good China's engineers are, showcasing their incredible skills and dedication. The project uses magnetic levitation and a special tube system with very little air, reducing friction. This cuts down on air resistance, letting the train go super fast almost effortlessly. Think about how this could change transportation, making it faster and more efficient. Imagine going from New York to Los Angeles in just a few hours, a journey that currently takes much longer, or zipping between cities hundreds of miles apart for your daily commute, making travel more convenient. This technology could make all of that happen, turning science fiction into reality. It could bring us into a new age of super-fast travel, transforming our world. This Maglev train is a huge moment in the history of transportation, a milestone we will remember. It pushes the limits of what we thought was possible and gives us a peek into a future where distance doesn't matter anymore, connecting us like never before. Trains have a really interesting and rich history. It all started with the simple yet revolutionary steam engine. Early trains were a big deal because they could move stuff and people faster than ever before, transforming transportation. But they couldn't go that fast, limiting their efficiency. Then came diesel and electric trains, which were faster, more reliable, and better overall. Trains became super important for industry, revolutionizing the movement of goods. They connected entire countries and helped economies grow significantly. In the later part of the 1900s, high-speed rail showed up, changing the game. Japan's bullet train changed everything, setting new standards. It showed how useful high-speed trains could be for lots of people, making travel easier. Now, high-speed trains are all over Europe and Asia, connecting major cities. They're a comfy and easy way to travel, sometimes even better than flying for many. China's new Maglev train is the next big step in train technology. It's going to change how we think about speed and efficiency on trains, pushing boundaries. High-speed rail isn't new anymore. It's been around for decades. It's already happening in many places around the world, transforming how we travel. These trains go over 200 kilometers per hour, or 125 miles per hour, making them incredibly fast. They connect cities, make travel times shorter, and help economies grow by boosting connectivity. Japan, France, and Germany are really good at high-speed rail, setting global standards. But China has been building its network super fast, expanding at an unprecedented rate. It has the biggest high-speed rail system in the world, covering vast distances. High-speed rail has lots of good things about it, from reducing travel time to boosting the economy. It's faster than regular trains and better for the environment than flying, making it a preferred choice. These trains have their own special tracks, so there aren't many delays and the rides are smooth. They're also really safe, with advanced safety features. Because high-speed rail has been so successful, people are trying even bigger projects, pushing the boundaries. China's 1,000 km/h Maglev train is a perfect example of future possibilities. China is the best at maglev technology. The Shanghai Maglev train, which has been running since 2004, proves it. It goes 431 kilometers per hour, showing what maglev can do, but China isn't stopping there. The new 1,000 kilometers per hour maglev train shows how ambitious China is. This train uses special magnets that make it float above the track. No more friction means crazy high speeds. The train will also run inside a tube with very little air, which makes it even faster. The project is still being tested, but it's looking good so far. If it works, it will change transportation forever. China's Maglev train isn't the only super-fast train being developed. Elon Musk's Hyperloop is another one. Hyperloop uses pods that travel through tubes with almost no air. It's supposed to go over 1,200 kilometers per hour. Both technologies want to go super fast, but they're different. Maglev uses technology that we already know works. It builds on what we already have for high-speed rail. Hyperloop is a totally new idea. It needs completely new tracks and tubes, which makes it more expensive and harder to build. We'll have to wait and see which one wins. Both could change how we travel in a big way. The 1,000 kilometers per hour Maglev train was recently tested and it worked. A short test track in Shaanxi province showed that the technology is real. They tested important things like making the train float, stopping it, and how fast it could go. The results were great. The train floated steadily and went really fast. These tests are a big step towards making this project happen. The next step is making the system bigger. They need longer test tracks to see how the train does over longer distances. They'll also test the safety systems very carefully. There are still some hard things to do, but the project is moving forward. The dream of going the speed of sound on a train is getting closer and closer.